Oh, hey, welcome back to this multi-billion dollar studio. I'm your multi-millionaire host. Welcome to ClusterLog number 4. And what is ClusterLog? ClusterLog is a series of videos about my application called ClusterStack. ClusterStack is a one-stop shop for immigrants, a place to help immigrants with the initial thought from moving to a country until they got embedded to the new community. So what happened this week? Pretty much nothing. I got a little bit sick and I reduced my activity on the app, and I have a few things that I've done, so let's go and let's run through it. So the first thing that I've done was looking for a partner. So when I launched the app in August, I understand that I had a lot of features I wanted to implement on the application, and I would need people to come on board to help me on this app. So inviting someone that I don't know to work on the application would require a lot of trust, that this person would work with me and not being paid. So I invited some friends, and I knew they have like some sort of responsibilities that are bigger than the application, because they, of course, they have to pay their bills. And they really accepted, and it was really nice at the beginning. But at the end of the day, when the project was continuing, they were contributing less and less to the application. So 90% of the app was made by me, and the other 10% is made by them. I think that's a fair point to say, look, I need to find someone to work like 50-50 with me. So that's why I talked to them and explained everything. They accepted, and now I'm looking for new partners. So last Monday, I went to India Hackers and I created a post saying that I'm looking for partners. And for my surprise, a lot of people like it. And my application, my post there was on the top list for 2 days. It was pretty nice. It's impressive for me. First time I went viral in somewhere. And some people contact me, and I'm working with them now and see if I'm gonna find a new good partner to work with. So continue the recruitment mode of the app. I was done last week, and this week I could implement new features to the application where recruiters, they can add, delete, and edit jobs. So they can invite now candidates for the job listing, and allowed candidates to apply and receive these applications through email, and then they can continue the process of hiring through email. That's a lot of other stuff to implement on the application, but I believe that for now I can have now a vision of where I want this app to go on this recruiter part. And of course, that not to mention, I start working back again with the platform for the browser, where the recruiters, they can log into the browser as well, and they can have access for the recruitment mode in the browser. That's really important. And of course, I've been looking for connecting the app with job onboardings and other stuff, but I'm still working on that. So it's just me, and I still don't have my partner yet. So let's see what's gonna happen. So then we have to talk now about link preview again. So the link preview is still a nightmare for me, because there is not a lot of documentations of people using React Native and rendering thumbnails and link previews on their application. While I was researching, I see that doing this URL preview into the front end, where I fetch the URL on the front end to get these results, it's not nice, it's not optimal. And I believe that for me, the best solution for me right now is to get the URL on the backend, and there you can fetch the data and fill the object and send the object back to the front end. And then on the front end, I'm going just to render the card. So that's what I'm thinking right now, and I think I will implement like this. I still have another studies to do, So let me know what you think. So leave the comments down below if you know about it. And I'm gonna leave link on the description as well about the Indie Hackers post that I made. And if you're interested, you can contact me, and then maybe you can do a partnership together. So I believe that's pretty much it for now, and hopefully you like this video, and that's pretty much it by now. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.